This 2008 Dodge Sprinter is brought to you by Imports Auto Group LLC. 2008 Dodge Sprinter 2500. Super high ceiling, 144 wheelbase. Newer tires, rear entry handicap wheelchair ramp. Power ramp. 3.0 V6 Mercedes-Benz turbo diesel engine CDI good 1. Rear windows and right side door window. Runs and drives strong, no issues. Cruise control, 5-speed auto transmission. 208K. Service records on the Carfax, regular oil change. Clean in and out, best in class. Nothing to hide, no Photoshop pictures. We beat everyone in AMP number 39's prices. Must see it, call now or text for more pics and deals like this one. Please visit www.onlineautowarehous.com or www.importsautogroup.com for the best deals on diesel Sprinter van, Dodge Sprinter, Mercedes-Benz Sprinter, Freightliner Sprinter, Ford van diesel, turbo diesel. When we say best deals, we mean it. Bank financing available. Use application online or stop by at our dealership. All trade-ins are welcome. We also welcome all out-state customers and to visit us at ONLINEA